Hey everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to replace and install lenses on the Rokid AI Glasses Style. A quick note before we start. Unlike Rokid glasses, the display one, the Style is an AI-powered smart eyewear with standard optical lenses, which means you can easily swap them out yourself for prescription or tinted lenses. Step 1. Removing the original lenses. Since the Style doesn't have a built-in display, the lenses can be removed and replaced freely. To remove a lens, push it from the inside out. Hold the frame with both hands and place both thumbs on the inner edge of the lens. Press both thumbs outward at the same time, in the same direction. The lens will pop right out. Make sure your thumbs are pressing on the lens itself, not the frame. This way, the force goes directly into pushing the lens out rather than being absorbed by the frame. If you're worried about hurting your fingers, there's a glasses pouch included in the box that doubles as a cleaning cloth. Just wrap it around the lens for a better grip and extra cushioning. Step 2. Installing the new lenses. Now let's install the new lenses. This time, work from the outside in. Start by pressing one corner of the thicker edge into the frame groove. Then press the other corner of the same edge in. After that, use both thumbs to push the thinner edge into the frame until the lens clicks fully into place. The last section may feel a bit tight. That's completely normal. Just apply a little more pressure and make sure the lens is fully seated all the way around. Again, feel free to wrap the lens with the glasses pouch to protect your fingers if needed. About the lenses and frame. Our lenses are made from MR8, a material known for its excellent toughness and impact resistance. And the TR90 frame has natural flexibility, so you really don't need to worry about cracking the lens or snapping the frame during installation. Just follow the steps, and you'll be totally fine. Precision fit. Every lens has gone through multiple rounds of strict testing to ensure a perfect fit, not too tight to install, and not loose enough to wobble in the frame. That said, if you'd rather not do it yourself, you can always take it to a local optician and have them handle the installation for you. Need help? If you have any questions during the process, don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact our customer service team at customerservice@rokid.com. We're happy to help.